Solving a system of linear equations of the form y equals mx plus b, example 2. So I have a system of equations here. They're both in y equals form, or slope-intercept form. So I could pick either one of these, really, since they're both in y equals form, but I'm just going to pick the top one because it's first. What this is saying is that instead of y, I can replace any y in any other equation in the system with x plus 15. That y and x plus 15 are interchangeable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this x plus 15 and substitute it for that y in the second equation. So my new equation, instead of y, remember I'm substituting x plus 15 and then equals, and on the other side I'm going to have 7x minus 21. So what I've done is taken two equations that have two variables, x and y, and kind of combined them into one equation that has just one variable, just an x. And then I just go ahead and solve this equation. So since I have x terms or variable terms on both sides of the equation, I need to zero one out and then balance the equation by doing the same thing on the other side of the equals. Then when I simplify, I'll just be left with a 15 on the left-hand side. 7x minus x is 6x minus 21 on the right-hand side. So now I only have a variable here on the right, but I have constants on both the right and the left. So now I need to zero out this constant, the negative 21, by doing the inverse operation, or adding 21. Then keep my equation balanced by doing the same thing on the other side of the equals. And when I simplify, I'm going to have 36 on the left, 6x on the right. Last step, divide both sides by 6 to eliminate my coefficient there. So x will be equal to 36 divided by 6 is 6. So I have the x value of my solution here. But now I need to get the y value. So I'm going to go up to either one of these. I could pick either one I wanted to. I'm just going to use the first one because it's listed first. But now that I know what x is, I'm just going to take this 6 and plug it in for x to get my y value. So y equals 6 plus 15. And when I simplify, y is 21. So this x value was substituted in right there. So my final solution is x is 6, y is 21. If I was going to write it as a coordinate pair, my solution would look like that.